Yeah, the beauty of North Idaho, farmland, mountains, lakes. I'm here to tell you that it's not going to be like that for long. And I'm kind of trying to highlight what is going on out here in the prairie and the changes that are coming. Whether you like it or not, it's happening. Somebody will blame me like it's all my fault. This is going to be houses galore up here. And that bugs a lot of people, I gotta be honest, right? And it bugs me, I live here too, and obviously I sell homes, but that's the reality. It's just the way it is. You either embrace it or you get mad about it. If you get mad about it and you need to go to a council meeting and talk to them, that's what I would suggest doing, because otherwise you're just yelling at people and nothing's happening. And if you grew up here, that would be a huge shock for you for sure. Even in the time that I've been here, going on 5 years, this downtown looks incredibly different to me as well. So all of this development is really changing a once small, very unique town into a much bigger place. Hopefully we'll hang on to that uniqueness and the cool community vibe that we have maintained. How do you feel about the growth that is going on here? I see a lot of buildings going vertical. We've got a lot of sky rises coming in. Is that a good thing for your business?
I mean, I've been here 35 years, so it's mixed emotion.
Right. How does that affect you in your daily life, some of that negative side?
Infrastructure, traffic, all that kind of stuff
Yes.
is our effect on daily life.
Yep.